Hello students, I am back. Class 5, subject EVS, topic chapter 5, dignity of one. Today we are going to start new chapter. This is chapter 5, chapter name dignity of one, and subtopic is people who help us. Today we are going to talk about the people, those who work us for our help. So we cannot do all the tasks ourselves. Is it possible to do the all works of ourselves by self? I think it is not. Definitely many works in which we need the help of many other people. So we cannot do all the tasks ourselves. We depend on a lot of people who help us in our daily life. Means many people are present which those are helping us in our work. We are taking the help of those people to complete our task. So we depend on a lot of people, those who are help in our daily life. Essential services. Essential services are the words which are very important for us, and it is necessary to complete them. So these are the people who are helping in our essential services, in helping our work. And not only this, there are many other people also. So here are few examples only. Driver, they do the driving. Cook, cooking. Teacher, teaching. Waiter, serving. Waiter are the people, those mainly you will find in the restaurant or the hotels. They will serve the eatables or the beverage or the other things to the customers. Clerk, these are the people who will present in the offices for the official work. Tune, these are the servants in the offices. Sweeper, they do the work of cleanliness. Doctor, they give the treatment to the people or the living things. Shopkeeper, they sell the things to the people. Mason, they helps to build the houses. Carpenter, they do the work of wood. So these are the people which are helping us in our daily life. All these tasks are necessary for our comfort and safety, and for the society to run smoothly. Means all these tasks are necessary, are very important to make our life easy, and also they are giving us protection. So it is also doing the work of safety. Because of this, the society can run smoothly. Means with the help of all these people, with the help of all these essential services, we are feeling comfort, we are feeling safe, and our society is running smoothly. There is no job which should be considered low or dirty. It is a very important point, for that should be in the mind of everybody. Then no job should be think that that job is low or dirty, that is on the value category, we should not do those things. This thinking should not be come in the mind of the people. So there is no job which should be considered low or dirty. We should give the respect to the every job in the same way. We should respect everyone. So these were the points which were related to the topic people who help us about the essential services. So your today's homework is learn and write these points in your EVS activity copy. You have to learn all these points, and also you have to write in your EVS activity copy. Thank you.